Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Early Standard English C by Cantab publisher, and all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board. And our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And what's about today's topic? Oh, it's about profession. It means that our students will be able to identify and different professions and professionals by the end of the lesson. So what we can do, we can ask the student that from where they have got or they have purchased their different things. Okay, Ali, can you please tell me from where you have bought these shoes? From a shop? Good. And what did you give? What did you pay after getting the shoes? Well, you pay money to the shopkeeper. It means that a shopkeeper earns money by selling things, by selling different things. And if we have to buy something, we need money for that. Okay, can you please tell me, Shumaila, what does your father do to earn money? Good. He is a farmer. Good. Shumaila's father is a farmer and he grows crops. He grows crops like wheat, rice. Okay, good. Yes. Subhan, what's about your father? What does he do to earn money? Well, he's a driver. Okay. Subhan's father drives a van to earn money. Good. And Madiha, can you please tell me what does your father do? Well, he works in a bank. He's a banker. Good. Madiha's father works in a bank to make money. And is there any student here whose mother works to make money and to earn money? Yes. Yes, you tell me on. What does your mother do? She's a teacher. Good. Like me. On mother is a teacher and she teaches to the student to make money. Good. It means that people around us do different jobs to make money, to buy and to get things. Now look at these pictures. Who is she? She is a doctor. She is a doctor. Sana, your father is a doctor? Yes, Sana's father is also a doctor. And what does a doctor do? He or she helps the patient to get rid of the disease and to cure. This is a doctor, and doctor works in a hospital. Doctor, well, a doctor helps the human beings. Good. And look at here, who is he? He is a policeman. He is a policeman. He is a policeman. Is there any of your relative or your father works as a policeman? Does your relative, any relative or your neighbor, have you seen a policeman? Good. A policeman saves us. He protects us from the robbers, from the thieves. Yes. And look at here, who is she? She is a teacher, like your teacher. And what do? I teach you. I teach you. I teach you numbers, I teach you letters, and I teach you how to live your life. Very good. And who is she? She is a teacher. Good. Look at here. Who is he? He is a pilot and he flies an aeroplane. He is a pilot and he flies an aeroplane. And look at here. Who is he? He is a farmer like Shumaila's father, and he grows crops for us. He grows food for us. That's great. It's good to work, and all the professionals, all the profession should be respected. Okay, now what we can do, we can invite the student for the big board game. For example, I can distribute these flashcards among the student, and then I can invite the student one by here to come near the board and to stand here with me. Okay, for example, I am going to invite Nair, please come here. Well, Nair, what is this professional called? He is a farmer. He is a farmer. Now what can I do? I can paste the picture here and I can write the name here. Farmer. I can paste the picture here, can write the name here. Okay, now Yasser, you come please. Well, who is he? Yasser, he is a pilot. He is a pilot. Now I'm going to paste the picture here. After this, I am going to focus on all the names. I will enable the student to read the names properly, and then I will invite another student to match the pictures with the names of the picture. After this, I can ask the student to take back the flashcards and write down the name of the professional or the profession at the back of their flashcard. Then I can ask them to open their books and I can ask them to read the names of the profession from here. This is pilot, farmer, doctor, policeman, teacher. I can also ask them to tell me, what does a pilot do? What does a farmer do? And then I can ask them to look at the picture, recognize the picture, and finally match the names of the picture, match the names of the professionals with the pictures individually. I can assign them a homework that they can collect the pictures of different professionals and paste the pictures on their notebook and write down the names of the professional. Thank you very much.